ikhuzele kuku esuthi suthi suthe ikhwele phezu kwethu ikhuzele kuku akuzi tu siyajulukela akuzi tu siyajulukela
Salbonan Tragazomushe. My name is Rory Masiani. I am currently I'm the International Secretary for Europe, and I'm also the chairman for the Tragaza Restoration Movement in the United Kingdom. So, Banwenkos, this is an opportunity that comes. The stars have aligned. They are going to look at what is happening in the world. Mthwakazi has been subjugated. We've been without rights for such a long time. You know that Abanye had independence in 1980, but for us from 1980 to this year, 37 years, they've been the barren years, the dry years. We've been watching others, people eating, we're watching others prospering, yet so this is a time that we want to claim what is ours. So there is a demonstration that is coming on the 23rd, in this day that used to be called Unity Day, but unity. So we want to tell the world ukuthi hayi besibandezelwa vele siyabandezelwa lathi sifuna ukuzikhulula. You know, we speak of self-determination ngesinto kuyini ukuzibusa. Umthwakazi ufuna ukuzibusa. We want to determine our fate. We want to make sure that when we live in this planet, that our lives register. There is no God-given right which other people can rule and others people cannot rule. We want to determine where we are going. We want our lives to matter. We want from birth to when we go to a grave. We want to make sure that we lived a fulfilled life. If I can quote the scripture, it says that Lord says, I come to have so that we may have life and have it in abundance. We always want to have an abundant life. We want to have a life that matters. We want to that our lives, we've been given this mandate which we can do anything, and we want to make sure that our lives will do something. So this date that is coming, we want all Mthwakazians, wherever you are, to attend these demonstrations that the Restoration Movement has put forward. We want to say that as Isizwe, we've been subjected to this genocide. We heard earlier on that genocide is not just the physical killing, but it is the killing of culture, the killing of the spirit. If with the dead spirits, we cannot live. So we want to tell the world that what is happening at Kaya is not right. We have seen Umbuso Wamasocha, Umbuso Kukrawunde is coming with Operance Shiri, the woman Nangagwa taking this Hulumende. We cannot trust them to govern us. We cannot trust them to make that our lives will mean something. We want to make sure that we have a say how we are governed so that we can live fulfilled life. Yeah, well.